Welcome to the City of Bremerton's tax and license instructional video on how to successfully fill out and submit your B&O tax form. When filing your business and occupation tax, the goal is to report gross revenue accurately and to reduce taxable revenue by applying the appropriate exemption. Let's get started. First, you'll want to locate the form. The form is available on our website at bremerton.wa.gov under the Business and Tax Occupation page. You'll find the applicable year in the form section. You'll have the option to download PDF or Excel versions of the form, along with written instructions. The instructions will provide additional step-by-step information, including how to file things like deductions and exemptions. You can pay online through our portal too. Please note that while the physical and online versions of the tax form look different, the instructions are the same. Once you have the form in front of you, the next thing you'll want to do is fill out some basic information, including your business name, business address, the tax period, and your City of Bremerton account or license number. If you do not have that number handy with you, we're more than happy to provide it. Just call our office at the number on screen. Please know you can also locate the number on your business license listed under the city and county endorsements, along with your Bremerton business license ID. It will be the last 5-digit number located in that line item. Once you have all basic information entered, you're going to want to enter your gross revenue. Your gross revenue will be based on the total income earned by your business within the City of Bremerton. You'll also need to determine your tax classification. Depending on your business activity, this may fall under categories such as retail, wholesale, manufacturing, or service. Additional classifications may apply if you offer specific types of services or utilities. Once you have your gross revenue and determine your tax classification, you're going to enter your gross revenue into the columns under gross revenue. You do not want to use any symbols, such as dollar signs or commas, as the system will input those for you. Next, let's talk about deductions. Your deductions are specific to your business and can be found on the instructions page, on the back of the form, or on our website. Deductions must be clearly identified, and be aware there are strict rules on how they can be applied. To see more, please check out the website or the form here. For exemptions, the City of Bremerton automatically allows any business within the city to qualify for a yearly exemption of up to $1,040,000 for retail, wholesale, manufacturing, or services. This amount is subject to change annually. Check the form for the most current exemption amount. If your gross revenue is less than or equal to the allowed exemption, your exemption will be the same amount as your gross. By inputting this, the form will automatically remove the taxable amount, making this form a zero filing. If your gross revenue is more than the exemption, you can only take the exemption up to the allowed max. By entering your gross revenue and applicable exemptions, the system will calculate the taxable amount by subtracting the exemption from the gross. This taxable amount is then multiplied by the applicable rate for each line item, resulting in the balance due. Once you have all your entries entered into the form, you'll want to scroll down to the bottom and fill in the signature area to sign and date. If for any reason your business has closed in the last business year, you can also submit the closure report here. Once you've completed the form, you can simply mail or email it to us, or you can file it electronically and make payments if payment is due. Thank you for watching this guide on how to fill out your B&O tax form. If you have any questions, please contact our office. We'd be more than happy to help.